bumisita ka. I never thought this would happen. Not in this lifetime.
It took a while, but we're here.
Thank you guys for giving me a family.
So, what's next for you, young man?
Well, it's funny how in the past 2 days I've been thinking about what Dad said in his speech. The kind of man he wants me to be. And I think alam ko na.
Leo, masyado makulit, ha? Rose, bahala sa mga binata natin. O ate, o Stephen, gusto yung sino pagiging panganay.
Bahala natin.
Toy, late na po, ha?
Siyempre naman. Takot ko lang sa'yo.
Takot sa'yo. O, Nay, kung susunod kayo doon, sana naman ho, bitbit nyo na ho itong buong pamilyang to, ha? Hayaan mo, mag-iipunan natin yan. Okay, mag-iingat ka doon, ha? Opo.
Bakit kaya naman ang ba sa tuwing ika'y nakikita?
Sana naman mapakilala.
Ngunit na pagkabawa na kung dala'y pinulot mo pa.
Hindi ka pa rin napakilala.
Bawat araw sinusulat, di ka naman lumitingin. Ano natin dapat gawin? Bakit kaya iniwas?
Hindi ko ba'y mayroong discuss? Nais ko lang
Magkakilala.
dito mayroon sumusuko.
Munting tuwa nakan sa'yo. Mari naman
Kahit anong aking gawin, di mo pinapansin.
munting tuwa nakan sa'yo. Mari naman magpakilala. Wait lang. Sir, I want to apologize for everything that happened before. For hurting your daughter. For all the pain I caused. And now, I want to set things straight. Mr. and Mrs. Montalas, gusto ko sana mag-apply sa inyo ng trabaho.
Sa Santapusan?
As Lyra's husband, sir. And I'm willing to do everything just to qualify for the position.
Maraming salamat at nagpaalam ka muna sa amin. Pero, Si Laida lang yan ang makakasagot niyan eh. Paano na magiging best ako sa ngayon for a while?
I just took an indefinite leave. But
That's my signature there.
I can stay with you and just be your husband while you're in New York. I'll support you. I can run flippage from there. Laida, all my life, my pursuit has always been to be the best. To be number one. And now all I want is for you to feel that. You're number one for me. And that you will always be my only one. I love you. I love you like I'm a badass. And this is the man I want to be. And for the first time in my life, I want to be last. I want to be the last man that ever loved. Can I be that man?
First and last. You're hired. Yes, 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 baby, yes. Like your heart.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Parating na ako, bebe ko. Mamahalin kita forever! Noon, pinangarap ko ng mahalin ng isang Mickey Montenegro. Ngayon, nagpapasalamat ako dahil hindi na ako naghintay pa ng matagal para matupad ang pangarap ko na yun. Hindi naging madali ang love story natin. Ilang beses din akong napagod at sumuko. Matagal bago ko naintindihan na walang instant happy ending. And then I realized that I failed to understand the true meaning of unconditional love. Of love that I always thought I perfectly had for you.
5 years ago, during one of the worst days of my life, when everyone was walking out with me, a girl walked into my life.
Oh my God!
And I never thought that that day hindi ko alam na yun pa lang ang alam ko. Yun pa lang ang future ko.
Patawarin mo sana ako sa mga oras na sumuko ako. Ganun pala, pag nagmahal ka ng totoo, kasama lahat ng maganda, ng pangit, ng malungkot, ng masakit. Ngayon, kaharap mo,
Lyda na alam na ng buong buo ang pinapasok niya. Isang Lyda na hindi lang happily ever after ang gusto, kundi isang Lyda na pinipili ang reality ever after with you. Mahal na mahal kita, bebe ko. Mahal na mahal kita. At wala na akong ibang nakikita pang gagawin, kundi ang mahalin ka at pagsilbihan ka buong buhay ko. Kaya maraming salamat for hiring me once again as your EA, your internal assistant. Pwede rin? Pwede rin, Ame?
Ano yun?
Maternal assistant. Para sa magiging babies natin. Lord, thank you. Thank you. Hindi mo alam kung gaano ko ka-excited dahil pagmulat ng mga mata ko mamayang umaga, si good morning husband na mismo ang karap ko, ang kausap ko, at mamahalin ko forever!
Today I realized I won't be making any vows for my wedding. No.
Why?
Because this is not the day for promises. Today, I stand here in front of you in complete surrender. I have no peace. I have no fear. Because I know. And I know because I am sure. And I am sure because I'm yours. God bless our village. And God bless me for wanting to have kids with you.
Okay naman ako agad. Pakipot yun, okay?
I love you
I love you too.
so much.
Noon at ngayon, pati na nun in between.
Lyda and Miggy version 3.0.
I know who loves you, man and wife.
You may now kiss tonight.
Kinat ka agad.
I make babies.
Gaga. Nagpo-push up pa.
It's now ready, baby ko.
You see me in 3, 2, 1.
Manyakis si John Lloyd.
Wait lang. Ito na nga, ito na nga.
Ang galing!
Happy, gentle. Gentle. Ah!